Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you what to do if your TP-LINK Tapo C230 is going offline. So first thing, go into your camera and the gear at the right top corner. Scroll down to network connection and check here your connection. Then make sure you are connected to a Wi-Fi. The best is the same one as your device. Then go down to firmware update, and if you have any updates, then update your camera. Then if it's still not working, try to remove the camera and add it one more time, or change the network. How to do it, you will find a video on our channel. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.